Good day and welcome to my channel. I'm Tori. This is Gracefully Tori, and I'm super excited to have you. I'm having you at a very weird angle because this is where the lighting is at. Super early in the morning, and there's a bit of sunshine from outside, and I don't want to stand outside creating this video, so I found a spot. But anyway, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, thank you for clicking on that button to find out more about who I am and what I'm about. And if you are returning to this channel, hey shareholders, where are you at? Thank you so much for coming back by. This video is a vlog. I'm starting it mid the video. It's been like 2 days of the weekend with me, and I really hope that you enjoy. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. Oh my goodness. Say hi to the channel.
Hey, Gracefully Tori's channel.
Yeah. Hi guys. So I attended a life-changing single seminar, and I'm excited to share bits and pieces of what I learned and experienced on the day with you. So I hope you enjoy.
All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been so good.
First of all, I would really like to say congratulations to our beautiful couple. If it were not for their marriage, if it were not for their wife.
I'm no longer a slave to free, 'cause I am a child of God. I'm no longer.
It's not anything but what? But eros. Tota ela nka ba tsamalla hela. Ko re utela ba dia. Nka ba bua hela gore tota ha ke mo lenyalong.
One is because we desire validation. You want to be validated by someone. You want somebody to tell you look beautiful, you are handsome, you are intelligent, you have what it takes. Just that, you see, really. Where do you get your validation from? One, you should get validation from God. Validation. We all need validation, of course. Even when you're called of God into ministry, you need.
So you expose yourself to so much information. You find books that you find you relate with mothers. I relate with mama, tata. I'm always close to them, so I get a lot from their wisdom, and I get to receive from how they walked their path. So my view of relationships or the way I conduct myself is not limited to how I was brought up. Let it be the hidden person of the heart, with the incorruptible beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is very precious in the sight of God. For in this manner, in former times, the holy women who trusted in God also adorned themselves, being submissive to their own husband.
Agenda, your mandate and your calling. For example, if you say, I want to be a full-time minister in Okavango, right in the center of the Delta, I don't want to move Delta. You say, this is where God is calling you to go and change lives, bring the power, send the word there, the Great Commission, go ye. But the other person wants to stay in G North. They love God, you love God. She's a good person, you're a good person. Will it work?
You must know that there is limitation, not from the word of God, but from the love of God inside your heart. Your love of God should limit you. Kore ha se nna moruti o nka tlang ka bora kere se dira jaana kana ha o ka kwa dira jaana. But it's the love of God inside you that must limit you. Gore o se ka ba dira dilo tse dingwe, o se ka ba tsamaya ka dilo tse dingwe tse e le gore mo
Ke bone tota Modimo a re ke eo ka nako eo ha Modimo a bua jalo Modimo a bua jalo le nna o ne a bua jalo le re supang gele ge re hetsa go bua message wa gago wa tsena gore mma HIV nna ke batla go nyala.
I broke 3 of my